Hi, it's Jason from Dennis Carpenters, and today we're going to take a look at our side marker lenses for the 80 to 86 Ford trucks and Broncos. Over the years, exposure to the elements and normal wear and tear can cause your original lenses to fade, crack, or become brittle. Replacing broken or missing lenses not only improves the look of your project, but also adds to your vehicle's safety. Unlike many cheaper replacements on the market, our side marker lenses are manufactured on brand new tooling to the same specifications as the originals. They're made from high-quality automotive-grade plastics and include UV stabilizers to protect against fading and ensuring long-lasting durability. We offer the lenses for both the driver and passenger sides, available individually to fit your specific needs. Each side comes complete with the mounting hardware for a trouble-free installation. So give your 80 to 86 Ford truck or Bronco a simple but impactful lighting upgrade with our new side marker lenses. It's an easy way to bring back that fresh showroom appearance. You can find these lenses and a wide selection of other restoration parts for your Ford at dennis-carpenter.com. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell to stay up to date with our latest releases. You can also follow us on Facebook, Instagram, X, and TikTok.